Hi and welcome to Python Prism. Today we are going to learn what is Python and what is programming language. Without further ado, let's get started. If you are wondering what on earth a programming language is, then this video is for you. Please stick to the end of this video. Let's just imagine we have a dog named Coco. Assume we are playing with him or her. You throw a stick and ask him to fetch it for you. The dog will run and fetch it for you. It enjoys playing such games with you. If you are still thinking what this example has to do with Python, let me just tell you that you have programmed your dog to go and fetch the stick back to you. Python is one of the many programming languages in the world. Programming is writing a sequence of steps of instructions in order to execute a task. In this example, we have instructed the dog to run to the stick, fetch the stick, and bring the stick back to you. It is important to know that computers cannot understand the languages we speak, such as English. Hence, we need a notion so that we can communicate with them. This notion is known as programming language, which allows us to write programs. In a nutshell, programming requires us to write programs so that the computer can understand and execute some tasks. Now that we are done with programming, let's move on to what in the world is Python. Without further ado, let's continue. Python is a dynamic high-level programming language. It provides high-level data structures. It is easy, yet a powerful language. For example, we do not require data types to declare variables because it is dynamically typed. Dynamic typing makes Python an ideal language for application development. Python supports multiple programming patterns and is not intended to work on some areas such as web programming. Python is used everywhere that we may not even realize how widespread it is. Python is used in AI, known as artificial intelligence, to create web applications, in app development, and many other things. How does Python work? We write a code based on Python language. The program runs directly through a source code. The source code is converted into a native language of Python by the Python interpreter. The code is then executed and an output is printed on the terminal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for taking the time to listen to us.